Roses are red, but my balls are blue. Margaret, the cause of this is only you. Now, as you all just saw, I deleted that video that I poured out all the love in my heart in. All the love, yo. Hurts to delete that video. However, I had a poem prepared for this video. I had a poem prepared for this video. This breakup. Yes, this is the breakup, guys. Sadly, this is a breakup, sadly. But this poem is the best poem of 2019. This poem is the best poem you would hear for the rest of your life. Just check it out. Lord, I can't take it. The lack of sex. The bull. Lord, I can't take it. The avoidance. The blue balls. Margaret, I can't take it. I want you, but I'm caught. Roses are red, but my balls are blue. Margaret, the cause of this is only you. Enough for the man taking. I start running the booms. And Margaret, I will only body you. I will only body you, Margaret. I will only body you. Enough for the man taking. Only you. I will only body you, Margaret. Margaret, I will only body you. If Marvin alone, what a real nigga. I will only body you. Now, isn't that just the most touching poem you have heard? Huh? Isn't that just the most beautiful, heartfelt, heartwarming poem you have heard? Guys, what I want you to do is just comment what you think of the poem, like the video, and share the laughter, the amusement with your friends. So just share the video with your friends. Like and comment what you think of the poem, people. And with that being said, Mackerel, roses are red, but my balls are blue. Mackerel, the cause of this is you. It's a boy Titan, yo, and I'll see you on another video. Peace out. Every day I upload for this week. You see me, I say, yeah. Oh, damn, stop though. Alright. Yeah, some bloopers at the end of the video. You see me, I say, like all I want to know, but see you on another video tomorrow. I'll have this late one already phone tomorrow. You see me, I'm going to shoot it right now. You see me? I don't know. I'm giving a little job. Shensia, don't talk. I'm going to say a while ago. Shensia, done. Talk. Peace out. Bloop, 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 bloop. Get to the acting scene for me, you see me? On the script first. You know, some actually write them video here. I don't even know some write them down, but I write them. Anyways, I put it at the end of the video for not try to see what I'm going on. Not for the long chatting. Alright, ready? Lord, we can't take it. The lack of sex. The bull. Lord, we can't take it. Nigga. What's her blue? The color of this is you. I will hold the body you. Oh my god! What the fuck is what? Where did I come from? Anyways. Now let's see how the acting going and things. Oh. Yeah man.